this video I will show you how to turn off closed captioning on YouTube. First, you need to open up that application, and as you get right there, the main point of going to your site selection, it is to take off on a video selection, for example, which is take it up to your site section, for example, as you go on your channel right here. Then you can open up a video selection which is related on your interest, and I'm gonna simply turn off that sound selection because it doesn't figure out on my side screen. And as you get right here, you're gonna find out these 3 or 4 options which will take you to lead the main point. The main point right over there, it is to go on the right setup, which is captions. As you can see, it says unbelievable because there are no subtitles available for this video, which is taken for a short term of video. If you have a long term of video, it will take you to the main point and gives you the right option to get and check also that stuff. But if you want to take over this selection, if you have it, for example, here you can simply go select off and it will take you to the main point.